PDP, People Democratic Party, and on the Ward 1, Ngo, Motto Justice, Unity and Progress. Press release. Notification of the suspension of Honorable Awaji-Inombek Dagomie Abiante from the Ward 1 meeting held at the Ward Office in Ngo Town on Monday, 29th day of April 2024, which discussed in-depth issue affecting the party and how to reposition the prosper and the party at the ward level. The caretaker committee, CTC in bracket, of the People Democratic Party in Ward 1, Ngo Town, the leader of the party and the general stakeholder of the reference ward anonymously adopted the following resolution: that Honorable Awaji-Inombek Dagomie Abiante should be is hereby suspended from the party for not only promoting faction at the ward level, but also belonging to a group under the guise of party, not being in group provided for in the past constitution, which action is in branch of X 58(1)J of the party constitution. That the suspension of Honorable Awaji-Inombek Abiante is also predicted upon his involvement in unauthorized publicity of disputes within the party, creating a parallel party organ at the ward level and its environment in anti-party activities, thereby causing disaffection among members of the party and threatening peaceful, lawful, and efficient conduct of the business of the party at the ward level. Though the branch of X 58(1)I/E and H of the party's constitution. Furthermore, the suspension of Honorable Awaji-Inombek Abiante became indispensable, putting into consideration his involvement in organizing trains, equips, and encourage the organization, retention, training, equipping of group of members for the purpose of employing violence, and other form of intimidation within the party, thereby branching X 58(1)K of the party constitution. The party at the world states clearly that we are committed to the party and are determined to weed out all bad eggs who are acting as agents of opposition political parties to weaken our party, no matter how highly placed, and to ensure that our word remains PDP, no matter the amount of indecent or threats. Sign, Mr. Dikebara. You see this, the CDC World Chairman. Others are Mr. Dogobo Jackson, the Secretary. Smith Green, member. Agnes Eteteja Owen, member. John Odosima Ida, member. Dogood Felicia Philip, member. Mabel Uche, member. Dobere Awajimam J, member. Esuk Arang, member. Ataisi Nieman, member. Prince Gideon, member. Aaron Jeremiah Fineface, member. Dick John Obiesia, member. Dagomie Charles, member. Israel Ubulum Johnson, member. Nte Obiesia, member. A PDP, a PDP, a government, a PDP.